Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save photos and videos on Snapchat without them knowing. As you know, Snapchat gives notification of if you save a photo or video in a specific chat. People already get to know about that you have already took a screenshot of your chat or you have saved their specific photo. So let's get right into your Snapchat application. Once you're there and you'll head over to a specific chat, and here just click on the desired picture you want to save to your camera roll or save in chat. So before doing that, make sure you have turned on your flight mode or airplane mode. Once you do it, all you need to do is save this by clicking on Save to Camera Roll. And if you save, click on Save. There you can see an option, you saved photo from QWERT. So as we don't want this notification in here, all we need to do is just get out of the Snapchat application and uninstall it. Once we uninstall it, we can just install it back again. And once you do it, just log in into your specific account and you will be able to see that there is no notification of you saved the specific snap in your camera roll. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.